Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We are doing part 3 for June 2024 Patreon. We'll be looking at D&D figures, Warhammer proxies, War tabletop, miniatures, and also figures as well. A lot of these we'll be looking at. Links will be down below for you guys. If you do like it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord. The links will be for those will be down below as well. So let's start with Legion miniatures. They do Marvel and DC figures as well. This is the complete version of it. This is the Marvel, I believe. Yep. That is a goblin wearing a Spider-Man like cape and a flaming sword. Okay, we got Mystique, uh, Bullseye. Don't know what that one is. Iron Man, Sabretooth, Wolverine, Hulk. I do not know all the characters. I know this one is one of the Thor things. Um, this is DC ones as well. We got Poison Ivy, Female Flash. Yeah, if you know a lot of these things, you can name it down in the comments below. I used to be a big Marvel and DC fan, and I just dropped out several years ago. I haven't really caught up on anything. Cast and play. We'll be looking at the video and see what they have. Looks like we are doing Arcane. So we have the Moonlight Witch that's coming up for it. Wind Sorcerer. Very lewd, sexy looking things. I like it. We got some Wind Elementals. Pretty cool looking one. They should do the female looking Wind Element. They have some stuff out there people can print. Ice of Snow Enchantress. We got some Eternal Night Necromancers. Wow, they're doing really sexy stuff for cast and play. I'm really surprised. Necromancy minions. So skeleton warriors as well. We got some beast charmer. So it looks like a child within your beast familiars or summons that you can have in your game. Stellar astrology or astrologer, Shadow Alchemist. So we have a lot of stuff. Alchemy Lab Helper. So it looks like homunculi helping everything they can. And you got your bases. And that'll be it for cast and play for D&D. NIMP 3D. For this month, I don't know if they have anything. I think this month is Minithra from Baldur's Gate 3 that they're working on. So they do the very cool figures like they did with Tifa. They also got a nude as well. DM Stash, another cool D&D figures as well. We got some grotesque monsters, probably from the Underdark, and a lot of armored champions, looks like it. A Grim Faith. They do have module for your 5e games as well, and battle mats and stuff. So we got some Duke's Executioner, Cleric Maiden. That's actually pretty cool looking Maiden. Looks very grim dark in my opinion. You might actually find some actual proxies for these for your Age of Sigmar pieces. Oh, it's kind of cool. Execution has a head carrying around. That was pretty cool looking. Oh, we got some little levy levels for a mimic. That looks like a mimic with cinder blocks. Yep, it's a mimic. They make a mimic look like a freaking hermit crab for some reason. We have a coffin, hook horrors. Looks like it. Some more Knights of the Void, the Abominations, variant Abominations, Abomination of Intellect. So it's kind of like a dark style campaign. That looks pretty cool. Highlands, this is actually pretty good for your old world. So it looks like we got some Imperials for you, Bertolians. So there's a lot of stuff that haven't been released yet for freaking old worlds for Warhammer. But yeah, you got some stuff for your old world if you're really interested in that as well. I do need some cannons. I do need some freaking guns and stuff like that for my Bertolians. I just finished building it, so I'm actually pretty happy about that. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about that. Eons of Battle. I don't think they have stuff for your terrains out. They might have for June. Here we go. The Eons of Battle is a very good YouTube if you want to learn to paint Warhammers and miniatures in general. And it looks like they got some Dark Eldar terrain pieces. Last month was Nurgles, and I got that because I do have a whole bunch of Nurgles. Looks like I got some slaves, tents. You'll see them painting these things a video pretty soon. PS miniatures for June. Looks like you have some kind of Slanesh type Eldar, I will say. Uh, I think it's part of Slanesh's army, in my opinion, because but yeah, I don't mind having more Slanesh armies. Plus, he's very sexy looking as well. So yeah, there's your Eldars for your the Slanesh army for your Warhammer. Bulkmaster Sculpt. These are figures. Very, very cool looking figures. Current one, we got Albedas. One of the Drows probably from D&D. I don't know which one. We have the Ghoul from Fallout. One of the characters from Hades. And we'll have the dog and the Bugbear for your bonus as well. And you will get these four. And you get the third month reward right here for this character as well. But yeah. So, and we have one promo that we'll reveal later on. So you get a lot just for $10. So I think it's a really good deal, in my opinion. Yuki Studio. We already got those two from last month. Trying to find what's for June. Usually they got some pretty good figures. And I think we're getting... Vash Van Steed, Vash the Stampede for a girl version for June. And June character is Yoshuba with a swimsuit for quintessential quintuplets. That's another good anime I have watched a while ago. Annex's Forge. They do figures as well. We had Aqua and Shun, and they have a Kickstarter for the Goblin Maids. We haven't really got to this. Is polls for next month. That's April. We don't know what's happening for May. I think June we are gonna get a Tomi Katsukusachi Moonlit Fantasy. Do not know what that's from, but looks like that's what we're gonna be getting for June poll. But check them out. Rodin Studio. They do a lot of anime figures as well. We had Gojo, Gogeta, and Gold Rogers as well. For next month, that's May model, so I don't think they have June models out, but they do a lot of cool figures as well. Go check them out as well. Invictus Miniatures. It's like what you call it? It's like Epic. I think they're the same people, same style of miniatures as well, but these are like more like sci-fi style. So if you're into sci-fi, like Spelljammer and stuff like that, and you do like Cyberpunk, Invictus Miniatures is probably one if you want to try to get. You probably want to go see their Facebook or Instagram to see the reveals for it. Dungeon Pinups. For this, we have I think 3 figures. There's gonna be a lot of loot stuff in here, but yeah, those 3 will be it. I know there's only 3 stuff. We got a pirate girl in the cooler, and girl doing some kind of weird stance for it for dungeon pinups for the campaign. Alright, Lost Kingdom Miniatures. This is another Age of Sigmar style proxies. I think we're having Chaos Beast for June. Probably some type of chaos. I think it's Chaos Beast, but if you guys have any idea what these can be proxies for, please let me know down below. So I have some kind of an idea for it, but I think that these are just Chaos Beast or demons of some sorts. I think they look pretty damn cool, in my opinion. Actually, probably make these into Slaaneshes if you really want to. They have the qualities of it. Last sword miniatures will be the last one for this video. This is Old World, I believe. I think they're doing High Elves. It's not Woodland Elves. I think it's High Elves. And there's a Manticore as well that they're going to be doing for this month. So if you're interested on getting some elves for your Old World campaign, this might be it. I do not know they write on dinosaurs or Manticore. You may have to look it up. I really don't know, but you might have a better idea than I really do. I hope you guys do enjoy this. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon, Discord. Thank you guys very much. I hope you guys have a nice day.